Thinking about converting a JFIF file to a JPG using Photoshop? Maybe you ran into a weird image format after downloading a photo from the web, or someone sent you a file that just won't open like a regular JPEG. You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle JFIF files and turn them into easy-to-use JPGs, either right inside Photoshop or with a handy online tool. Let's get started so you can stop worrying about file formats and get back to editing. First up, the quickest way is directly through Photoshop itself. Maybe you've got a JFIF file sitting on your desktop and you just want to start working with it. Go ahead and open up Photoshop. Now, drag that JFIF file straight into the workspace, or choose File, then Open, and select your JFIF file. Photoshop is great at recognizing a wide range of image formats, and JFIF is no exception, so you shouldn't see any error messages or problems here. Once your image pops up in Photoshop, take a moment to check that everything loaded correctly. Sometimes colors can look a little different depending on the conversion, but if things seem off, don't stress. Converting to JPG will usually resolve that. Now, head up to the menu bar and click on File, then Save As. This is where the magic happens. In the Save As dialog, look for the drop-down that says Format. Click on it and choose JPEG. Choosing JPEG here is important because it's one of the most universally accepted image formats. Whether you're uploading to a website, sharing with friends, or using the image in another project, JPG just works. After you pick JPEG, give your file a name if you want, pick a location on your computer and hit Save. When you hit Save, Photoshop will ask you about JPEG quality. If this comes up, you can usually stick with the default, or bump it up for higher quality if you need a crisp image. Remember though, higher quality means a bigger file size. Once you've saved, you now have a standard JPG file ready for anything you need. No more worrying if other programs will accept it. But maybe you don't have Photoshop handy, or your JFIF just refuses to open for some reason. Don't worry, there's another easy solution, using a free online converter. Open up your web browser and go to a reputable site like Convertio or Cloud Convert. Just search JFIF to JPG online converter if you need a link. On these sites, you'll find a simple upload button. Click it, then find your JFIF file, either on your desktop or in your Downloads folder, and let the site upload it for you. Next, make sure to select JPG as the output format. This tells the converter exactly what you want it to do. Switch your file from JFIF to the more universal JPG format. Click the Convert button, and depending on your internet speed and file size, this might take a few moments. Hang tight. Once it's finished, you'll see a Download button. Click that, and the JPG file will be saved to your computer. You can now open that new JPG in Photoshop or any other image editor you prefer without any compatibility headaches. And that's all there is to it. Whether you prefer working directly in Photoshop or using a convenient website, converting JFIF files to JPG is super straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you ran into any tricky steps. I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more Photoshop tips and image handling tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.